So today we have here the Xiaomi Mijia, Mijia. I have no idea how to pronounce it, but it's a digital drawing tablet that comes in either 10 or 13.5 inches size with this really small minimalistic style. Let's have a look. What do we have in the box? Some paperwork, the tablet itself, in this case is a 13.5 inch, and the stylus. The stylus pen is magnetized. The button battery that is inside can last up to a year with 100 cleans of the screen each day. Next thing that we also like is the screen. It's very clear, it's very crisp and very easy to read what is on it. And the reason behind that is ink. It's a ink dust free. There is no blue light and electronic radiation coming out of that screen. What we also want to talk about is this pressure technology. When you hold a stylus pen and you are drawing or writing, it depends how much pressure do you use on writing or drawing on the screen, and according to that, the lines, the thickness of the lines will either go thick or thin. As a bonus to that, the screen is more durable. As you know, when the kid is drawing, they always like to either step on it or push their palm on the screen. The screen can get damaged easily. But in this case, Jules has pushed on the screen many times and it works fine. If I have to mention something that we didn't like that much, that would be the fact that there's no option of saving write-ups or drawings for the future references. The tablet itself has no port, so it's clearly write and wipe. That's the only drawback that we have found. What about the price? Let's talk about the price now. Since we have the 13.5 inch, which is the bigger one of them two, the current asking price is about 17 US dollars, about $520. For a drawing board, it might seem like a lot, but it can be so much more. It can be a notebook or to-do list. This is our take on the new Xiaomi Mijia. Let us know in the comments down below how would you pronounce it, and we will see you next time again at The Kids Knows Best. Until then, take care, bye bye.